Hi! Thank you for clicking that play button. Kung ikaw ay somewhat may spark na gusto maging parte ng Monspace as valid client, pero somewhat naniniguro rin na hindi masasayang ipupuhunan mo. Kaibigan, this is the perfect video for you to watch para mawala na yung duda mo at subukan na ang maging parte ng Monspace. There is a lot of companies out there na nangangakong pwede raw mabago ang buhay mo. Kaya sinubukan mo, pero along the way ay nasaktan ka lang kasi wala naman nangyari at nasayang lang pinuhunan mo. Now here comes Monspace. Parang gusto mong subukan kasi promising masyado ang pinapakita namin dito. Pero nag-aalangan ka pa rin kasi nasaktan ka na sa mga sinubukan mo before. Now, why Monspace? Ngayon po, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung bakit kailangan mo i-consider ito. Unang rason, ang Monspace ay napaka-stable. Try to look at the corporate office. Mapapansin mo, it is world-class, kaibigan. Now, I know building alone is not a guarantee. Natatagal at maglo-long last ang kumpanya. Pero I'll show you some facts na ang kumpanya natin ay very stable. Ang Monspace ay napakaraming chain of businesses, kaibigan. Tignan niyo po, we have our plantation. At hindi yan ordinaryong plantation because that is 2,286 hectares, kaibigan. So, yan lang naman yung isa sa backup na business ng Monspace. Monspace has also its airline business. We have hotels, condominium, residential, telecom business, agro-industrial plantation tulad nung nakita nyo kanina. We have restaurants, culinary arts schools, at napakarami pang chain of businesses, kaibigan. And that's the only proof na napaka-stable ng kumpanyang ito that you could rely on. Alam ko hindi ka pa masyadong convinced sa mga informations na yan. Monspace is known as an e-commerce business, just like eBay, Amazon.com, Alibaba Group of companies that you could order online at pwede nilang i-deliver yan anywhere in the world. Now, dahil sa ganda ng serbisyo ng kumpanya all over the world in its clients, we were awarded as the best e-commerce business last 2016. Does it make sense? Kulang pa ba? Eto, dagdag ko. Monspace was already featured in the most respected business magazine sa buong mundo, kaibigan. And that is the Forbes magazine. Tignan mo, nasa front page pa ang Monspace. Kaya makikita mo that this business is real big time that you could depend on. Nakapasok na rin ang Monspace sa pangalawa sa pinakamalaking stock market business sa buong mundo, which is the Nasdaq. You know what? Hindi lahat ng big time na company ay nakakapasok sa Nasdaq, kaibigan, which Monspace has already made it. And soon, makakapasok na rin ng kumpanya sa pinakamalaking stock market business sa buong mundo, which is the NYSE or the New York Stock Exchange. As you can see in the photo, yung babae na nasa gitna, siya po ang CEO ng kumpanya, which is, she is already complying all the requirements para sa New York Stock Exchange. And that only proves that this company is very, very stable that you can rely on. Now, for the second reason why Monspace. We have our unique product na pwede kang kumita kahit wala kang ginagawa, and that is Monspace Dollar or MSD. Now, for a short recap kung ano itong MSD, it is a type of digital money. Oo, isang pera. Unlike sa perang papel, hindi tumataas ang value. If you have 1,000 peso bill na savings mo, after a year, 1,000 pesos pa rin ang value niya. After another 5 years, 1,000 pa rin yan. In short, yung perang papel ay hindi nagkakaroon ng increase ang value. Unlike digital money, or also known as cryptocurrency, habang dumadami ang demand or maraming nangangailangan ng currency na ito, ay tumataas ang value niya. Like Bitcoin, as nagsimula ng cryptocurrency business. Last 2009, walang value ang Bitcoin. But as of this month, ang Bitcoin ay pumapalo na sa $2,400 or nasa 130,000 pesos na ang per 1 Bitcoin. Now, ang tanong, is digital money or cryptocurrency really works? Right now, ipapakita ko sa inyo na even billionaires were promoting cryptocurrency right now. Kasi nakikita nila na ito yung magiging future na currency or pera sa buong mundo. Here, the richest man in the world, kung anong masasabi niya about the cryptocurrency or Bitcoin.
Bitcoin is exciting because it shows how cheap it can be. Bitcoin is better than currency in that you don't have to be physically in the same place, and of course for large transactions currency can get pretty inconvenient.
Now, this is very good about Bitcoin, pero hindi naman Monspace Dollar yung binabanggit niya. Now, my point is, kung kaya mong magpaluwal or mag-invest to Bitcoin, go ahead, buy 1 Bitcoin for 130,000. Medyo malaki na ang startup mo. Ang punto ko po rito, magkakaroon ka ng maraming Monspace Dollar in your website account if you buy the initial account dito sa Monspace. Now, paano ba natin masisiguro na pag meron ako Monspace Dollar, may future ito na pwede akong kumita tulad nung nangyari sa Bitcoin? Now, ipapakita ko yung next video sa inyo. Hear it.
This is a currency that's really going to work eventually?
Well, I think it is working, and there will be other currencies like it that may be even better. But in the meantime, there's a big industry around Bitcoin.
Richard Branson is the founder of Virgin Cola, a multi-billionaire. Even him saying, time will come, pwedeng may mas maganda pa sa Bitcoin. Now, ipapakita ko at i-explain ko ng maigi kung bakit may future ka rito sa Monspace Dollar. Isa sa factor na tumataas ang value ng isang cryptocurrency ay dumadami ang nangangailangan nito or lumalakas yung demand. Imagine this, kung gaano kalakas ang demand ng Monspace. Nagsimula ang MSD last June this year, 2017, at umabot na sa more than 15 million ang active traders sa buong mundo. Now, that 15 million traders ay nangangailangan na mag-ipon ng maraming MSD. So, expected na mabilis ang pagtaas ng value ng Monspace as long as magiging registered na ito sa blockchain. Kaya huwag mo na intayin na mangyari yun, kaibigan. Kasi this September, magsisimula na ang internal trading ng kumpanya, which is dyan na ang start na magkakaroon ng value ang Monspace. As a summary, why Monspace? Kasi clearly, kaibigan, this is a multi-billion dollar industry. A multi-billion dollar company na binibigyan kang chance na maging parte. Magkaroon ng partnership for how much? For 7,600 pesos na initial account. Now, this is your perfect time na maging big time. Kung gusto mong ma-review kung paano kumita or magkaroon ng increased value sa Monspace Dollar, just click the link na naka-attach sa caption ng post na ito. So, I am Mentor Jewel at your service.